How to reinstall Bigo Live. Need to reinstall Bigo Live on your iPhone. Perhaps after troubleshooting or getting a new device, getting the app back is quick and easy from the App Store. Let's get Bigo Live back on your phone. First, locate and tap on the App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen. It's the blue icon with a white A in a circle. Tap on the Search tab at the bottom right. And in the search bar at the top, type Bigo Live, then tap Search on your keyboard. Find Bigo Live livestream in the search, which is right here, and tap the cloud icon if you previously owned it, or the Get button. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The app will then download and install. Bigo Live is now reinstalled on your iPhone. You can log in with your existing account. Like and subscribe for more app installation guides.